Kawasaki, one of the leading motorcycle company in the world from the Japan. This company sells different types of bikes like touring, racing, daily commuter bikes. Young generations loves the Kawasaki bikes, especially Ninja. And the bike which is seen on the screen is called Kawasaki W. The bike cost is 1,86,000 and it is a dual channel ABS. It is 175cc bike and both torque and power is 13. The next bike is Z650. Maximum torque is 64 newtons and the power is 68. The cost of this bike is 6,97,000 and parallel twin engine. All LED lights are available. Horizontal back link rear suspension. 6-speed gear transmission. Bike is seems to be muscular. Ninja 300. The cost of the bike is 3,50,000. 296cc. The weight of this bike is 179 kg. 70 liters fuel capacity. Maximum power is 38.8 bhp. The next is Ninja 650. Maximum power is 67.3. Engine is 649cc. Weight is 196 kg. Cost of this bike is 7,12,000. Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, whatnot, every specifications are available in the Ninja 650. Kawasaki Volcan 649cc bike, 235 kg curb weight, and the tank capacity is 14 liters and the cost of this bike is around 6,40,000. Bike is especially designed for touring purpose.